Ano yung napanood mo?
Oh.
Ha? Ano yung virus? Ano yung virus?
I don't know.
Mm.
They're tiny for your hands to look.
Ha? They are
Tiny.
tiny.
Yes, your hands, you cannot see it.
The virus.
If you go outside in the road,
You get it in the road.
Hmm?
Tapos, ano pa yung virus?
you will get sick
Kapag-
if it's raining. And then you will have a tissue, and then the virus goes in the tissue. And that's their house.
Oh. Sino sabi sa'yo?
Myself.
Ay, yourself. Grabe naman yung self mo. How about you, Tam? What is a virus and ano sabi ni Sam kanina? What is that? Virus and?
Chopin.
Ha?
Chopin told he the law.
Yung?
Chopin.
Magsakit pala tayo pag may virus, Sophie. Sino nagsabi sa'yo, Sophie? Ikaw, Tam, ano napanood mo sa TV?
Nothing. I was watching strong.
Very small yung virus.
Tiny, 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 tiny.
Tam,
I'm drinking water.
sino naglagay ng makeup mo? Bakit color violet?